Hello guys, you're welcome in this video. In this video, we are coming to learn how to prepare a cadastral plan using AutoCAD 2007. Here is our point. These are the points we are coming to use for the plan preparation. On this point, we have 2 points as control, one as a base or reference, and the other as uh, a check, and we have additional 4 points. That's the points, the boundary of the plot we are coming to use for this class or lesson. All right, let's get started. First of all, we open our AutoCAD 2007. This is the interface of AutoCAD 2007. The second step is to open SUR, that's survey point plotting. We are going to upload the CSV or the data we are coming to plot. Good, I save mine on desktop. You navigate to where you save your folder. This is where I save mine. This is the CSV, and okay. Okay, enter absolute point size, text, enter text size, enter offset distance of text. You can use 12 12, or some use 13 13, but this uh, value I'm putting is not constant. When you are dealing with a big plan or a smaller one, you adjust the value of the absolute point size to fit with the plan you are coming to prepare. Looking at the plan I'm preparing, or we are coming to prepare, if you take the value of 12, the absolute point size to be 12, I think it will fit with the plan we are coming to prepare. Okay. The data in the CSV is arranged in the format of northern, eastern, and label. So we take that format, then you click OK. Okay, these are our data. This is the data we are coming to prepare, the four corners of the parcel, and this is the base or the reference, and this is the closer or the check. Okay, the next step is to move this regional number or the point ID out of the parcel. To do that, to move, the shortcut of move is enter, then to click and drag it out of the parcel, then you click. All right, now we have moved it out of the parcel. But looking at the size, the front size or the front star, I want to change it. To change the front star, you type ST, that's the shortcut, ST, enter. Pop-up will come. Then here you type area, okay, then you apply and close. See that the font size or the font style have changed. All right, we are now coming to start the plotting. To plot, you pick line. Line, the shortcut is L, enter, or you come here and click on line here. All right, so you start with the two controls. You look at the control that when you start from it and plot the from it to the parcel, after parcel to close on the other control, the lines will not cross because survey lines doesn't meet when preparing a cadastral plan. All right, so you click, you start from here, and in preparing cadastral plan, we plot clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise, meaning we can't start from here, here, here. No. So we rather move in the clockwise direction. So from the reference to point 3 here, we move to point 4, we move to point 1, we move to point 3, then we close on point 3, point 2, then we close on point 3 again. To close, you right click and then you close it. To start, you can type L enter to get the line again, or you come and pick line from here. If you don't want, you can press enter and then you continue your dictizing. All right, you come and click on this. That's the closer we close on. Now we have finished dictizing the points or plotting the parcel. The next step is to calculate the bearing and distance. Okay, to calculate the bearing and distance from one point to the other, you come to survey, you come to bearing and distance in feet. That's the coordinates I'm using here, they are in imperial, not metric. So meaning the distance are measured in feet, not meters. So you take, if yours is in meters, you take meters. But in cadastral plan or in preparing cadastral in Ghana, we use imperial instead of, our coordinate system are in imperial, not in metric. So we take the bearing and distance feet. All right. So we type left, right. That's LR. Then enter. We maintain the text height to be 12. Enter. Then we take no. Reverse bearing direction. No. We don't want reverse bearing direction. Take no. And enter. So you select all and right click. Now we have our bearing and distance being in the parcel here. Right now, after when you calculate the bearing and distance and you see that the distance is outside and the bearing is inside, then that tells you that your plotting is in anti-clockwise direction, not clockwise. But when you see the bearing outside and the distance inside the parcel, meaning your plotting is done in clockwise direction, not anti-clockwise. So after getting the bearing and distance, we are now coming to check the projection. The projection is the great values, to call the great values to find out where this particular parcel or the location of this parcel found in the projection system. So in to check the projection, that's the great values. You come to survey, come to grid plotting. All right, then click OK. You come to the left corner here. So you click and drag and you click again. We don't want great tick marks, it's great lines. Here the interval is either 500 or 1000. So me, I choose 500. Then you can leave the N and E, that's the northern and the eastern. Always I delete mine, so you can decide to leave yours. Here the label text height, as I said earlier, this one is not a constant. Depending on the plan you are preparing, if it is a big plan and you use 25, it won't fit. So you choose it reasonably to fit in the plan you are preparing. And the color is always white. So you take white color, then you click OK, then OK. You see now we have our grid values on the parcel or the projection on the parcel. The next step is to put the cadastral template on this. To put the cadastral template,